Hello guys, welcome to Unboxing Startups Weekly News. I'm your friend and host Supratik for today's news episode. I know due to your busy schedule you might have missed some latest updates from past week. So the first news is coming from Indian edutech startup. Upgrade has acquired Australian startup Global Study Partners, which means GSP. Upgrade will invest 16 million for 100% stake in GSP, has committed another 10 million for its future growth. Founded in 2015, GSP is two-sided marketplace for international students recruitment, which is an institution network for more than 600 plus establishments across Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, United States and many other countries. Well, the second news is coming from fintech startups Slice. Slice enters Unicorn Club after raising 220 million from Tiger Global and Insight Partner. Well, Slice interested to utilize the investment to expand and strengthen its presence in the payment space, hire great team and expand its product offering. The startup issues credit and payments card office segment in partnership with Visa and SBM Bank, allowing its cohort to build a good credit score, while it is also offering a reward and discount from payments. It is overall, I can say it is just like a credit, and in the coming future we can see a tough competition between Slice and credit. So now the next news is coming from Amazon. Amazon India head and Future Group official summoned by ED over 2019 deal. Yeah, that's true. The ED will be investigating if Amazon violated India's law or foreign exchange when it invested around 1,431 crore in Indian rupees to purchase 49% stake in SCPL in 2019. If compiled with regulations, Future Independent Directors has written when two applications of CCI alleging misrepresentation on behalf of Amazon and invest in Future Retail via Future Coupons. Well, the next news is coming from Myntra. Myntra forays into social commercial launches live shopping. Myntra aims to churn out close to 1,000 hours of live video content per month for deeper consumer engagement, contributing to the creator economy phenomenon. It believes commerce is likely to engage around 50% of its monthly active users in the next 3 to 4 years. The last news is coming from Flipkart. Flipkart enters crowded health tech startup with Sasta Sundar acquisition. Yeah, that's true. The Flipkart group has agreed to acquire a majority stake in an online pharmacy, Sasta Sundar Marketplace. It's the name, Sasta Sundar Marketplace, to launch its own healthcare business amid a pandemic-triggered consolidation in India's and health tech industry. Well, that's the end of the weekly news. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below. Your comment and views are extremely important for us, and don't forget to share it with your friends, family and your loved ones. Well, this was your friend and host Pratik. See you in the next fresh episode of our weekly news channel. Till then, take care of yourself and follow the guidelines set by the government for the COVID restrictions. Till then, bye.